lunch break for us. Bit of a break from work. I don't think many people will be able to do a lunch break like we're doing.
No, probably not.
So there's the office behind us. Where are we going?
We're going to Silar Canyon.
Silar Canyon. What is Silar Canyon?
No idea. Find out when we get there.
So it's just something we found, and it's a bit of a rocky path to get to. Don't know how far. Steady on, honey. But let's go and have a look. See what's that? Silar Canyon. Silar, it's not because it's a long way, is it?
No.
Okay.
200 metres apparently.
How many hundred metres?
A few hundred.
A few hundred metres. What's a few hundred?
I think we said 350 if we went on the road.
350?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not.
So here she comes, the intrepid explorer. Go to your right. That's it.
Up there?
Yeah. It's just like steps. No, it's okay.
I've got to get back down there after.
That's alright, I'll carry you. Come on.
God. How long do you think my legs are?
There you go, well done. Right, follow me.
Good grief, what are you doing to me, man?
Follow me, follow me.
I'm following you, just watch where you're going as well.
Keep following.
Following.
And then look what you get to see. More amazing Norway. What do you think, babe?
Fabulous.
Look at that. Just incredible. Have you ever been anywhere as amazing?
No, never.
No.
Never, ever, ever.
And have you ever seen so much werewolves in your life?
No. They're just miles and miles and miles and miles of beauty and nothing.
I think this must be the most extraordinary place in the world.
I would agree.
If I like a moment, I don't like to have the distraction of the camera. Just want to stay in it.
How lovely was that?
Yeah, it was amazing. Dave the drone, he really had a good time out. Nina's developed into a Heimer 4x4. She just goes anywhere.
She's just done an amazing job on this trip.
She's incredible. And we're another week closer to ending, but we've got a long way to go. And where we are, it's pretty high. If you have a look at it on your maps and just have a look, we're a long way from home.
We are. We're pretty much at the far reaches of Western civilization.
And that's just got a little bit frightening because we are so far from home. But we've got plenty of time to get home when we need to. Plus, I've got to fly back soon anyway. And won't be long until we're at the border of old Vlad's place, you know.
Putin's place.
Putin's place. Not sure he's going to invite us over for coffee, but not far away from there at all. See you soon.